Open your eyes and look around your phone right now. Have you noticed that everybody on the internet is suddenly starting to sound exactly the same way? Every single post starts with, in today's fast world, every business email sounds like it was written by a boring robot. Every post trying to be smart uses the exact same tired word. Deep deeper, dig deeper, big picture, important, and change. Did you all go to the same school yesterday? No, you have all fallen directly into the copycat trap. Today, on our third day of our 60-day challenges or marathon, we need to talk about a bad habit spreading in our videos. Brother AI is great at copying, but if you don't watch him, he will steal your own special way of talking and give you a boring robot-like way of speaking instead. The internet is getting filled with copies. People are just copying and pasting the very first thing that pop up on their screen without changing one bit. They think they are winning, but let me tell you the truth. The Facebook and YouTube systems are getting smarter. They can see fake robot writing from a mile away, and they are quietly hiding those lazy people. If you want your video to be popular, you cannot afford to sound like everyone else. You understand? Let's be honest. We cannot deny that Brother AI is very fast. He can make 1,000 ideas in a 60 seconds. But remember what we learned on day one. Brother AI learned from the old world. He does not know your personal story. He doesn't understand the special problem of our local street, the fun run of our culture, or the real thing that make your friend listen to you. When you ask him to write a story or a script, he looks at the old internet, pick the middle of what everyone else says and give it to you. That means if you use his work exactly as it is, you are just sounding like an average person from everywhere in the world. Who want to follow an average person? Who want to buy from an average business? The top creators who are truly winning and making money right now understand that Brother AI is only there to give you a basic plan. You are the one who must add the heart, the life, the fun of the story. You are helping to wipe out your own fame. You must bring your own style, your local slang, your real person, your real human life into the mix to shake up a boring machine. You understand? So how do you completely break the copycat trap? How do you use Brother AI to grow your video while keeping your voice entirely yours? It comes down to one powerful rule: add the human touch. The next time Brother AI gives you a script, I want you to read it loud to yourself. If it sounds like something a street teacher would say, it's a boring meeting, throw it away immediately. Put your own life into the word. Rewrite the start using your own style. Add a specific story for your own life or young neighbor that a machine could never possibly guess or make up. Use Brother AI for speed, research, and planning, but never let him replace the human spirit that made people follow you in the first place. You are the boss. He is just there to help you. So by tomorrow, for day 4 of our 60 days marathon or journey, we are diving deep into the 2026 speed code, the exact plan to turn 24 hours of slow work into 24 minutes of pure fast result without losing a bit of your quality. You understand? Before you leave, check your recent post. Tell me honestly in the comment, have you been guilty of failing? into the copycat trap lately? Let's fix it together down in the comment section. Share this video with your friend who need a wake-up call. Hit the follow-up button and I will see you tomorrow. Peace out. Brother AI is my brother, my only brother for now, because it's always there for me and helpful. Brother AI is always there and helpful. So FCT indigenous people, embrace Brother AI. Embrace Brother AI because it will put you to the right shape and be logical. Brother AI doesn't like lazy Idu at all.